back to another video, guys. Long story short, found somebody who had the snowmobile as a spare. They never really used it, so bought it off of them. Pretty bad shaped track. Need some work with the steering rack. Bought it for 300 bucks, and that's quite a deal for this thing. It's a Polaris 2001 Pro X600. It's a twin cylinder. It's got a twin cylinder 600cc 2-stroke motor. So, you know, it's got to have a lot of power. Cleaning it up and getting it to run is the biggest thing. So I was just blown in the tank, and I finally got gas to come out this end after installing the new stuff. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a filter in line, and then the shut-off switch, which is clear and works. So yeah, let's get to putting that in there. So we got the original petcock in there, and then the fuel shut-off. And then the new fuel filter and just a little stretch line right here. And it just really nice because I can see if there's fuel running through here. But otherwise, I blew in the tank pretty hard and actually got fuel flowing through here. I think last time I tried to run it, I did not have actual like good fuel running through here, and now it should be running good fuel. So let's try it out. Wish there'd be more snow, but kind of want to ride it. So just ride very careful and take our time. Now I don't know where my brother is doing.
going pretty fast?
It feels like you are, but I think it's just the torque.
Yeah.
Dude, yours is smoking like a motherfucker.
Yeah, well, let's go look inside. Make sure nothing's here. Would you pop that?
Exhaust leak.
Oh, yeah. Coolant everywhere. Here, I got a hood. There we go.
That's one way to do it.
No hissing, no nothing, you hear?
Nope.
Looks like there's not oil coming out of the exhaust, so that makes me feel a little better.
Is it fun?
Oh, yeah. Was I going
Just
fast?
wait until we get more snow. If it feels like you're going fast, I think it's just because of the torque.
Yeah.
You'll know. Oh yeah, you're going fast. Last year Connor said he caught Wyatt doing like 100.